This guide shows how to safely use your Mounjaro injection pen. Mounjaro is for weight management. First, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Inspect the label and liquid. Wipe the red inner seal with an alcohol swab before attaching the needle. Push a new needle straight onto the pen and twist until tight. Remove both needle shields. Turn the knob 2 clicks to prime. Push the knob in, count to 5, and confirm the icon shows. Inject into the stomach, thigh, or arm at least 5 centimeters from the belly button. Rotate sides weakly. Dial the dose icon. Insert at 90 degrees. Push the knob in until it stops and count to 5. Confirm the icon shows in the window. Do not redial the dose. If you think you didn't receive the full dose, do not start over. See frequently asked questions for more. If you see blood after removing the needle, lightly press the site with gauze. Do not rub the area. Replace the outer shield. Unscrew the needle into a sharp spin and replace the pen cap. For any questions, consult your pharmacist or prescriber for support.